Hi, you are watching Best Automatic Espresso Machines Reviews. Number 5. Cuisinart M25 Defined. The Cuisinart Espresso Defined Espresso, Cappuccino and Latte Machine features 19 bars of pressure and brews intensely rich espresso. Beverages topped with a silky rich crema. A powerful frothing mechanism creates velvety smooth foam for a barista-quality cappuccino. Or latte presets and menu options let users adjust flavor. Number 4. Brim 19 Bar Espresso Machine. Stable high-pressure Italian pump with gauge indicator and low-pressure pre-infusion for balanced extraction. The 1250-watt thermal coil system provides consistently hot espresso for your enjoyment, featuring a powerful thermal coil system and commercial-style 360-degree swivel. Action dry steam wand for cafe-quality texturized microfoam. Number 3. Gevi Espresso Machines Coffee Maker. Advanced 1350W Big Power Thermoblock. Fast heating system can delivers even heat for consistently great-tasting espresso. You can enjoy making the good kind of coffee in 45 seconds. 15-bar high-pressure Italian ODM pump can provide fast and stable extraction. Makes espresso more fragrant and rich in crema. 2 separate thermostats control adjusts the temperature of water and milk foam, so that the taste of coffee can reach the ideal state. Number 2. Breville Dual Boiler Espresso Machine. The Breville Dual Boiler with commercial features delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula. It has a professional dual boiler construction that delivers unparalleled temperature control and simultaneous extraction and steaming. Dual stainless steel boilers and heated group head controlled by digital temperature control brings water to precisely the right temperature to extract maximum flavor potential every time. Number 1. Rancillo Silvia Espresso Machine. Ergonomic porta filter handle same as the proven design of Rancillo commercial machines. Commercial grade group head for superb heat, stability and extraction quality. Articulating steam wand offers complete range of motion and professional steaming. Knob precisely controls steaming pressure. Classic linear design fits most decors. Thanks for watching our video. If want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.